Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today is the third of 3 projects that I taught my team at our recent team event, and I gave all of the ladies who were in attendance, they all got a full pack of our Slimline envelopes. There's 15 envelopes, 5 in Sahara Sand, 5 in Mint Macaron and 5 in Whisper White. So I gave them all a packet of that, and then I also gave them all a pack of our gold and rose gold metallic speciality paper, and so they were able to use bits of both of those in their project. So you've already seen my concertina album that had some of the speciality paper on it, and then I've shown how to turn an envelope into a bag. Both of those use the Daffodil Delight, and this time around I'm using the envelope as an envelope, and I'm also using the rose gold speciality paper here. And so this is an adorable little card. It's very sweet. Yes, I've got pink ladybirds, and why not? Okay, so to make a Slimline card for specifically these envelopes that we have, you need a piece of cardstock that's 22 by 19 centimetres, or if you prefer to work in imperial, 8 5/8 of an inch by 7.5. And on the shorter side, on the 19 centimetre side, you score it at 9.5 centimetres, which is on the 7.5 inch side. If you're imperial, you're scoring it at 3 3/4. Okay. So this is polished pink. Why not have a pink ladybird? Okay. So I've got some Whisper White to go over the front. This measures 8.5 by 21, which means that you're going to be able to get multiples out of the sheet. So if I grab a sheet of Whisper White, you're going to get 1, 2, you're going to get 3 fronts out of one sheet of Whisper White. So yeah, 8.5 by 21 centimetres, 8 1/4 by 3 3/8 of an inch. Oh, that's not the one I want. That's the one I want. So I'm going to get that sitting on the front of my card. Oops. Oh, I've just wibbled that. There we go. So that's on the front of my card. And then I've got 2 panels of this is the rose gold glimmer, 7.5 by 7.5 centimetres, which in imperial, 3 by 3 inches. Super easy. And those, you put one to the left hand side and make sure you've got an equal border on those 3 sides, and another one on the right hand side. And again, just making sure that you've got equal border. Okay, just like that. So next thing to do, your ladybird punch, you want 3 bodies out of basic black. I got my 3 bodies. You could stamp them, but you know, I've punched them. And then I'm looking for some scraps of Whisper White. Then we're going to make our wings. So you need the wings and the spots. I'm going to get 2 blocks, and I'm just going to let them relax down, because photopolymer can bend. So if you just put them on your desktop and let them relax, you know that they're going to be the right shape. Okay, let me grab some polished pink. So have a look at your punch to see which way round your wings punch out, and mine go that way. Oh. Ooh, just throw that around. And I'm going to put my spots in. It's probably easier to do the spots first, but you know, I like to live dangerously. Okay, that's not bad. Got progressively better. So I'm going to punch all my wings out. Obviously you don't have to do this in polished pink. I just fancied it. There's too many red ladybirds out there. Let's have pink, more pink ladybirds. Okay, let's get these wings. So I've got some mini glue dots, and I find that if I put them right at the very top of the left and right hand wings, both of the wings, they will fit just nicely on the neck of your ladybird. So there's my 3 ladybirds, and then looking for my cloud punch. There it is. And some of these sentiments will fit inside different punches, but I love the cloud punch, so may your greatest wish come true is a good one. So I'm just going to punch a Whisper White cloud, and then some more of the leftover, well, not exactly leftover because that's a big bit, but that lovely speciality paper. And there it is. May your greatest wish come true. And it will fit just nicely off to the left hand side. And now with my dimensionals, I can assemble everything. Oh, I didn't stick those down. Let's stick those together first. And just offset it very slightly. I'm just going to make my butterflies go and do their thing, wherever they fancy going. And how cute are those? Very cute, I say, very cute. I think they're lovely. And yeah, hot pink butterflies, why not? Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.